Soon we are going to see the next Galaxy Watch 9 and Watch Ultra 2. Recently, Watch 9 firmware got leaked, and there's some interesting information regarding the next smartwatch from Samsung. Also, I'm giving away these two cool watch faces, so drop a comment if you're into this face. Battery sizes for the Galaxy Watch 9 have leaked. For the 44mm variant, we're getting 435 mAh battery capacity. For the 40mm model, exact battery size has not leaked yet, but it is expected to be around 325 mAh. First of all, Snapdragon Elite chipset for Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is confirmed. Samsung is going for a dual chip strategy this year, reserving Exynos for the simple Galaxy Watch 9 and using Snapdragon Elite for the high-end Watch Ultra 2. Snapdragon unveiled this chipset at the Mobile World Congress event 2026. This new chipset is a lot better than the existing one found on Galaxy Watch Ultra and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. This chipset features one high-performance core and 4 efficient cores. This will make battery life a lot better than what we currently have on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic or Watch Ultra. Apart from efficiency, this chipset is also a lot more powerful. Qualcomm claims that this chipset is around 5 times more powerful than their last chipset, and graphics are 7 times better than last generation. But we'll test it once the watch comes out. This chipset will give 30% better battery life. Also, it is capable of handling on-device AI features. Expect up to 30% better battery life, and charging speed is also finally getting better this year. It can go to 50% with just 10 minutes of charge. This will solve the current issue many people are facing with battery life on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. I'm myself getting about just 1 to 1.5 day battery life on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Thanks to the Wear Elite chipset, the health sensors are getting an upgrade too, so expect accuracy of these sensors to get better with Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. It's sad to see that Samsung is still going to use Exynos chipset on their Galaxy Watch 9, while Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 will use the new Snapdragon Wear Elite chipset. I'm myself still using the Galaxy Watch Ultra one that came out in 2024. It has held up really well, and the battery life is better than Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. You can check out my video on Galaxy Watch Ultra 1 if you should get this smartwatch in 2026 or not. About the design, Samsung will likely keep that same design from Ultra 1. Orange button is also staying there. Brightness on this watch is rumored to increase up to 4,000 nits. Right now, on Galaxy Watch Ultra 1, display can go up to 3,000 nits of peak brightness. Also, this year, Samsung is planning to launch a 5G version of Galaxy Watch Ultra. Although I barely use such connectivity options on my Galaxy Watch. Do you use 4G connectivity on your Galaxy Watch? Let me know in the comments. So that is pretty much it so far regarding the next Galaxy Watch from Samsung. Samsung event will take place in London around the end of June or July, where they are going to announce these new smartwatches and the next Galaxy Z Fold. And that was all about for today's episode. With that said, I'll catch you in the next one.